What's up, yo?
Ew, screw up.
Like,
Oh god.
H-I-J-K-L-F-N-O-P-Q-R-S-E.
Where did I stop? T?
U-V-V-X-Y-Z.
Oh god. That is so gross.
Hang on.
How gross is this, Katie? Oh, that was nasty.
Hang on, don't do any more yet.
Okay, that one didn't work out so well. Oh god. Keep going with the video, okay? Just let me fart. Oh my god, my stomach hurts so bad. Wait, stand your guard, okay? Okay, it's not coming out right now, but... Oh my god. I gotta fart so bad.
So fart.
I can't.
It's not on my pillow. We can have a fart contest.
Excuse me, Katie. I'm sorry.
Okay, I'm throwing up.
Come on, we're belches.
Oh crap, the song got changed. Ah crap. Whatever.
It was right after Bleeding Love.
Oh, found it.
Bye bye, beep bop. Burps. Oh, that's nice. Daddy, daddy.
Okay, Katie, we can stop now.
No. Do more, please.
Oh, we want me to sing the entire song on 98 through burps?
Yeah, say it.
Oh my god, I'll be amazed at myself. Wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Just don't laugh at me, okay? Because I'll stop.
Okay.
It sounds so bad.
You can't see.
Okay, I'm gonna come out.
They're bad.
Wait, please don't laugh at me.
Hey, they're mad.
Your mom's gonna hear. Just say I see and move on.
I see. It is a girl.
Just move on to Nadia, please.
Hold on, wait.
Dodos are made. Do you be more?
I'm done with that.
You just do the Nadia part, the chorus. Just
Give me some of your soda.
my soda.
I'm out of soda.
Can you go get more?
Yeah, I will. Just give me some of yours. Actually, all we have is water, so you're gonna have to stick with water. That still makes me burp.
It's gone.
Oh wait, there is more left.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try and get the sauce line out.
Can't get in the way.
Okay, that's enough of burping for the night.
Say bye-bye, people.
No, I just said it. That's the best I can get out. Bye. Night, night.